on Wednesday at work, there was a little bit of problems with our finances. And there was a story that we will not get our increase for the year and our bonus. And prophet always prophesies, and he said, you will get increase, you will get promotion, and at the end of the year, you will have your bonus. And I put my faith in it, and for 2 months, I give more than my actual 10% that I must give to the Lord. And Wednesday, they called us in, and they said, you will get your increase, and you will get your bonus at the end of the year. On Thursday, I don't know what happened, but when we went out for our mentoring movement, I only have the amount which I was supposed to throw in for the petrol. And I know what is going in my bag because it's the bag that I usually wear every day. I know what is going on in my bank account. Ladies, you know that we know our finances. We are very logical about that. I know that I didn't have any other money. But when I give the amount for the guy to put in the petrol, I take out the money and I look again in my bag and I say, what is happening? A 200 rand. Another 200 rand. And the guy standing at me said, lady, it's finished. Must someone come? I look at him and I'm in my bag. People you don't know. I even found it was miracle money, almost 1,000 rand in my bag. I don't know how it happened, but it happened on Thursday. So this is my 10% for the prophet.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Let's give a lot of praise in this house.